Hi friend, what's up? It is so excited to see you again. This is my first vlog. In this vlog, I will tell you about my experience joining a national workshop on the last September. It was MiMeP workshop. MiMeP means membaca intensif dan membaca ekstensif dalam pembelajaran. It was conducted by Dirjen SMP Kemendikbud. Semarang was the first region for this national workshop. It was followed by the teacher from the Regency in Central Java and Yogyakarta. The first region was held from 14th until 17th of September 2021. Mr. Sarno, Mr. Rinoto, and I joined the workshop as the delegation of Semarang. We left for Semarang at 9:30. It was a rainy and cold day. We took 2 hours to get the location of the workshop. It was in Grand Arkansas Hotel near Simpang 5, a popular place in Semarang. We arrived there at 11:30. Because it was pandemic, so all of the participants have to get antigen swab before the workshop. Alhamdulillah, all of the participants have negative result of the swab. It means all of us can join the workshop. After that, we could enter our room for having lunch and taking a nap for a while. The workshop was open at 2:30 p.m. The first session was opening ceremony. After the ceremony, the workshop began. It started at 8 in the morning and finished at 9 in the evening. It was so long listen. For 4 days, we got a lot of knowledge about intensive and extensive reading and how to teach them for the students. The lesson was so interesting and interactive. We could ask and discuss the material with the mentors. During 4 days, we learned about what intensive and extensive reading are, how to choose the right media, how to teach reading for the student, and many more. The mentors delivered the material effectively. A lot of participants gave the question, then we discussed it in this class. It's so amazing. When we were tired, there were some fun and interesting ice-breaking. It could remove our tiredness and change to a new motivation. We did not only learn about MiMeP, we also got a lot of new friends from whole Central Java and Yogyakarta. The time was so fast. It was the last day of our workshop. We got a lot of new knowledge and experience. It was time for us going back to our hometown and share the result to a lot of teachers in my school, even in my hometown. Thanks for the committee, the mentor, and all participants. All of that we get in this workshop can make the student in this country loving reading and improve their literature skill.